Cooking Appa.
Hi, this is Cooking Appa. Today Appa is going to make Wa Tan mee sua. So I have some fried mee sua here. So this one I don't have to prep it already. I can straight away put it onto the serving plate. All I need to do is just to make the Wa Tan sauce, the smooth egg sauce for it. Very, very simple. Okay. So how do we make the Wa Tan sauce? I have some garlic. Oh, the amount that you are seeing here, I'm actually making 2 plates. Oh yeah, I'm just showing you 1 plate here. So all this garlic, ginger, you can reduce half of the amount. Yeah. So minced garlics, ginger slices, some fish cake, eggs. Yeah. I don't have a lot of ingredient with me today, seriously. And then I have some veggie, green veggie. And this is, now you can use your creativity as to what you want to put in. Usually outside restaurant, they'll put in some meat slices and some prawns, yeah? I don't have that too today. Premium Vietnamese fish sauce, cornstarch. This is fine salt, white pepper, and some of my Cooking Appa chicken stock powder. And you do need some stock, yeah? I quickly make some ikan bilis stock here. Very simple, boil ikan bilis for about 5 minutes together with some ginger, done. Right, get a wok. We're going to make this, the Wa Tan sauce. First of all, let's give it a little bit of oil here and let's heat it up. Once the oil is heated up, we can put in garlic. Let's saute this till fragrant, probably about 30-40 seconds. Yeah, we'll come back shortly. Once you start seeing the ginger or garlic started to brown, we can actually put in the veggie. Usually Appa like to eat more veggie. Then I'm going to add in some broth, some generous amount of broth. While waiting for it to boil, we can put in some seasoning right now. Just now I forgot to show you. Let's put in some oyster sauce. About 1 tablespoon, few dashes of fish sauce, some fine salt, some of my Cooking Appa chicken stock powder. Actually, I don't mind to give it a bit of light soy sauce as well. So let's bring this to a boil. Already smells really good. It is now boiling. Add in a bit of Shaoxing wine, optional. And let's prepare some starch solution. Alright, let me add in the cornstarch solution. Is it thick enough? Right. Now it's thick enough. Now I can off the fire. Break an egg inside. Now we can achieve the smooth egg effect. And take note, you can only achieve this smooth egg effect provided your starch, your broth here is starchy enough. If it's not starchy enough, you can't create this. Right, see? You're getting the smooth egg effect right now. I'm going to give it a few dashes of white pepper. Done. So here's my fried mee sua. And here's the sauce. Let's put some fried shallot on top. Okay, done. So I hope you like my very simple video today. If you like my video, do share my video on your Facebook to your friends. Come to Cooking Appa Facebook page to click like and follow button. Follow up on Instagram and subscribe to Cooking Appa YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Bye bye.